I've been working with this guy. I'll call him A. And I used to not be very closed nor talking much with each other when we were scheduled for same shifts. However, things started changing after an internal meeting within the restaurant, and during the time, managers were talking with each other. A began turning to me and asking me a lot of questions. Some I found interesting, some I found weird, awkward, but overall I could feel our connection change a lot. We chit-chat more during shifts, and A also offered to help me with things without me asking first. I usually just asked for help on heavy duties. Now, I'm not sure when did I start taking law of assumption into action. I actually knew Neville Goddard and law of assumption right after I broke things off with my ex, but hadn't gotten a chance to try it out yet. I remembered seeing myself manifesting the scene that A making dinner for me, or at least made me some food, and how awkward he is after handing the food for me. I literally manifested the whole scene for 3 nights in a row. Until today, exactly earlier today, I stopped by the restaurant to chit-chat with my favorite coworker, who was in her shift with A today, for a bit before going home. It was my day off, if that worth's being mentioned. And right before I left, A told me to wait a minute and handle me a box of food. I asked him, "Is this for me?" Replied with a nod, and I said, "Thank you." Then, I could hear everyone started whispering and making weird sounds. I turned to A and could see he was blushing, smiling a lot. It was just literally what happened in my manifestation. So yup, I'm still manifesting things and stuffs, with the mindset that everything comes true, or has come true.